I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Journey of a million miles starts with a single step. I put in everything I got, not a single left. I won't stop till I reach the top. And if I burn out, I'll rise from the ashes. You can't stop this no matter what happens. Things in my life keep overlapping. We keep pushing no matter the traction. Step back when you see me in action.